In this video, we listed the 20 viral cooking gadgets for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Rotary Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater. The Rotary Kitchen Rotary Cheese Grater is a versatile and convenient kitchen tool, designed to make food preparation quicker and more efficient. This manual hand-cranked cheese grater features 5 interchangeable blades, allowing you to shred, grate, and slice a variety of ingredients with ease. Whether you are grating cheese, chopping vegetables, or slicing fruits, this tool provides great flexibility for different cooking needs. Its reinforced suction base ensures stability during use, preventing the grater from slipping on the countertop, making it safer and more convenient. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to operate, and it is easy to clean, which is a plus for those who enjoy hassle-free kitchen gadgets. Perfect for those who love cooking and want a quick, efficient way to prepare ingredients like cheese, vegetables, or even fruits for dishes like salads, pizzas, or pastas. Product 2. Product name: Gotham Steel Double-Sided Pan. The Gotham Steel Double-Sided Pan is a versatile kitchen tool designed to make cooking easier and more enjoyable. This ceramic non-stick copper pan is particularly ideal for preparing fluffy pancakes, omelets, frittatas, and other breakfast or brunch dishes. Its innovative double-sided design allows for easy flipping, making it perfect for creating evenly cooked and perfectly shaped pancakes. The pan's non-stick ceramic coating ensures food slides off effortlessly, while reducing the need for extra butter or oil, making it a healthier cooking option. Its durable construction is also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. With its easy-to-handle design, the Gotham Steel Double-Sided Pan is a great addition to any kitchen, especially for those who love cooking delicate items like pancakes and eggs without the hassle of sticking or uneven cooking. Product 3. Product name: 4-to-1 Colander with Bowl Set. The 4-to-1 Colander with Bowl Set is a versatile and functional kitchen gadget that brings convenience and style to your kitchen. This set features rotatable strainers, making it ideal for rinsing fruits, vegetables, and other food items. The set includes a bowl for easy draining and a design that helps you save space while adding a touch of aesthetic charm to your kitchen decor. Its beige color gives it a sleek, neutral look, complementing various kitchen themes. Perfect for anyone who loves both practicality and aesthetics, the 4-to-1 Colander with Bowl Set is a great gift idea, especially for women who enjoy culinary activities. The strainers can rotate to fit different food washing needs, whether you're cleaning produce, draining pasta, or straining liquids. It's an essential tool for every kitchen, streamlining the food preparation process while doubling as an eye-catching gadget. This product could be a great addition to your kitchen tools collection, alongside other essentials for seamless cooking and food prepping, such as the stainless steel cat litter box, or your favorite cordless leaf blower for outdoor maintenance. Product 4. Product name: Mini Bag Sealer. The Mini Bag Sealer 2025 Upgrade 2-in-1 Magnetic Food Sealer is a versatile and portable handheld device designed to seal bags of snacks, fruits, food, and daily necessities. It features a USB-C rechargeable design, offering convenience and efficiency in sealing various types of bags to preserve freshness. The sealer is equipped with a heat-sealing mechanism, allowing it to securely close chip bags, snack packets, or any plastic packaging, ensuring that food stays fresh for longer. One of its standout features is the magnetic base, which allows it to be conveniently attached to metal surfaces for easy storage when not in use. The compact and sleek off-white design ensures that the sealer is not only functional but also blends seamlessly into modern kitchen aesthetics. Ideal for those who value practicality and portability, this mini bag sealer is a useful tool for everyday food storage needs, keeping items like snacks, fruits, and other perishable goods sealed and fresh. Product 5. Product name: Juicer Machines. Juicer machines, particularly models like the 350W Professional Masticating Juicer with a 5.8-inch extra-large feed chute, are designed for efficient and easy juicing of whole vegetables and fruits. This specific cold-press juicer is great for individuals who prioritize batch juicing, as its large feed chute allows for less preparation time and better juicing of whole produce. The masticating technology ensures that nutrients, enzymes, and vitamins are preserved during the juicing process, providing healthier and more nutrient-dense juice. The 350W motor provides enough power for consistent and thorough juicing, while the easy-to-clean design ensures minimal hassle after each use. The juicer's professional-grade construction, such as its durable titanium gray finish, not only makes it stylish but also robust for daily use. This type of juicer is particularly popular with those who enjoy homemade juices as part of a healthy lifestyle, and it's an excellent choice for users looking for a machine that can handle large quantities without sacrificing juice quality. Product 6. Product name Cuisinart 11-piece Cookware Set. The Cuisinart 11-piece Cookware Set from the Chef's Classic Stainless Steel Collection, Model 77-11G, is a versatile and durable set designed to meet the needs of both novice and experienced home cooks. This set includes everything you need for a wide range of cooking tasks, featuring pots, pans, and lids that are ideal for everything from sautéing to simmering and boiling. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this cookware set offers superior heat distribution for even cooking, which is essential for achieving the best cooking results. The set's stainless steel construction ensures durability and long-lasting performance, while its polished exterior adds an elegant touch to any kitchen. The aluminum encapsulated base of each piece enhances heat conductivity, ensuring quick and efficient cooking. The Cuisinart 11-piece cookware set is compatible with all stovetops, including induction, making it a versatile choice for a variety of kitchen setups. Product 7. Product name Clarifion Air Ionizers. Clarifion Air Ionizers 6-pack is a compact and portable negative ion filtration system designed to enhance air quality in various indoor spaces such as bedrooms, offices, and kitchens. These mini air cleaners work by releasing negative ions that attach to airborne particles like dust, smoke, pet dander, and odors, neutralizing them for fresher, cleaner air. The devices are quiet, making them ideal for use in spaces where silence is important, such as during sleep or work. This set of 6 ionizers provides a versatile solution for households or offices, offering an easy way to eliminate common indoor pollutants and allergens. By reducing particles that can trigger allergies or create unpleasant smells, these air ionizers help improve overall air quality. Their small size makes them convenient to place anywhere, whether near a pet area, kitchen, or in the vicinity of smokers. Product 8. Product name Soft Serve Maker. The Ionizers Classic Original Healthy Dessert Fruit Soft Serve Maker is a 200-watt machine designed to create delicious, healthy soft serve desserts using only fruit. Ideal for anyone looking for a healthier alternative to traditional ice cream, this soft serve maker effortlessly transforms frozen fruit into a creamy, ice cream-like consistency. Its sleek silver design adds a modern touch to your kitchen, while the simple operation makes it easy for anyone to use. This device is especially useful for those who want to indulge in a sweet treat without the added sugars and preservatives found in store-bought options. The Ionizers Soft Serve Maker works by feeding frozen fruit, such as bananas, berries, or mangoes, into the machine, which then processes it into a smooth, creamy dessert. It's a great option for those following plant-based, vegan, or gluten-free diets, as it requires no dairy or artificial ingredients. Product 9. Product name Sous Vide ART Sous Vide Cooker Kit. The Sous Vide ART Sous Vide Cooker Kit is a comprehensive cooking solution perfect for both home chefs and beginners looking to explore the precision cooking technique of Sous Vide. This kit includes a 1000W immersion circulator, which is essential for maintaining a consistent water temperature, ensuring perfect cooking results every time. The digital timer and temperature control features allow for easy customization of cooking times and temperatures, making it ideal for various foods, from meats to vegetables. Along with the immersion circulator, the kit provides 15 vacuum bags and a pump, enabling users to easily vacuum seal their food for Sous Vide cooking. This ensures the food retains its natural flavors, moisture, and nutrients during the cooking process. Whether you're a novice or an experienced home chef, the Sous Vide ART Sous Vide Cooker Kit offers everything needed for an enjoyable and successful Sous Vide cooking experience, bringing restaurant-quality meals to your kitchen. Product 10. Product name: VisiFast Spring Push Drink Dispenser. The VisiFast Spring Push Drink Dispenser is an innovative refrigerator organizer designed to streamline beverage storage and accessibility. This dispenser is specifically tailored to hold 12 to 16-ounce bottles, cans, and beverages, making it ideal for both commercial and home use. Its spring push mechanism ensures that drinks are easily dispensed, allowing for smooth and effortless access without the need to rummage through your fridge. Perfect for keeping your fridge neat and organized, this dispenser helps you maximize space while ensuring your drinks are always within reach. It works well for soda cans, bottled water, juices, and other similar-sized beverages. Whether you're using it in a commercial setting like a cafe or restaurant or at home, the VisiFast dispenser helps keep your fridge orderly and your beverages well-stocked and ready for quick access. This product is available in a pack of 1 and is a practical solution to optimize fridge space while maintaining easy access to drinks. Product 11. Product name: Instant Pot Vortex Plus. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus XL8 QT Clear Cook Air Fryer is an advanced kitchen appliance designed to streamline cooking with its 8-in-1 functionality. Coming from the trusted makers of the Instant Pot, this air fryer offers a versatile range of features, including air frying, broiling, roasting, baking, reheating, and even dehydrating. One of its standout features is the ClearCook technology, which includes clear windows that allow you to easily monitor the cooking progress without opening the fryer, helping to maintain temperature and improve cooking efficiency. With its 8 QT capacity, this air fryer is large enough to handle family-sized meals, making it ideal for both small and larger households. The appliance's custom program options give you the flexibility to adjust settings according to your specific cooking needs, ensuring that each dish is cooked to perfection. Its crisping and broiling capabilities provide that signature crunch and golden finish, enhancing the texture of your food. Product 12. Product name: Thick Kitchen Mats for Floor. The 4/5-inch thick kitchen mats for floor, specifically the StepRight kitchen rug, are designed to provide superior comfort and support for those who spend long hours standing in the kitchen, at a standing desk, or in office environments. These mats are non-slip, ensuring safety while walking or standing on them, and stain-resistant and waterproof, making them durable and easy to maintain, even in high-traffic or messy areas. The added thickness, at 4/5 inches, provides excellent anti-fatigue benefits, helping to reduce strain on the feet, legs, and lower back. The sleek black color fits seamlessly into various home or office decors, making it an ideal choice for those looking for a combination of practicality and style. Whether you're cooking, working, or simply standing for extended periods, this mat offers a comfortable and supportive surface that promotes better posture and overall comfort. Product 13. Product name: Refrigerator Pantry Organizer. The 10-pack Refrigerator Pantry Organizer bins offer a practical and efficient storage solution for keeping your kitchen, countertops, cabinets, fridge, and pantry neatly organized. These stackable, clear plastic bins come with lids, providing both convenience and visibility, so you can easily identify contents without opening them. Perfect for organizing various food items like drinks, fruits, vegetables, cereals, and more, these bins help maximize space and reduce clutter. Whether you're storing items in your fridge, pantry, or on countertops, these durable bins keep everything in place while making it easier to access your essentials. Their transparent design ensures everything is within view, while the stackable feature allows for vertical storage to optimize limited spaces. Ideal for households looking to streamline kitchen organization, they are versatile, easy to clean, and a practical addition to any kitchen setup. Product 14. Product name: Gravity Electric Pepper and Salt Grinder Set. The Gravity Electric Pepper and Salt Grinder Set is a convenient and modern solution for seasoning your food with ease. This set is designed for those who appreciate quick and effortless seasoning while cooking or dining. With its one-hand automatic operation, the grinders work by simply flipping them upside down, allowing for a hassle-free experience. They are powered by batteries and feature an LED light, which makes it easy to see the amount of seasoning you're adding, even in low-light settings. The adjustable coarseness feature allows you to customize the grind to your preference, whether you want a fine or coarse texture for your pepper or salt. Made from stainless steel, these grinders are durable and have a sleek, modern look that complements any kitchen or dining table. Product 15. Product name GrillBot Automatic Grill Cleaning Robot. The GrillBot Automatic Grill Cleaning Robot is an innovative barbecue cleaning solution that complements your grilling experience. Designed to save time and effort, this automatic cleaner is equipped with durable nylon brushes and a grill scraper, making it ideal for removing grease, grime, and food residue from your barbecue grill. With the push of a button, the GrillBot handles the hard work of cleaning your grill, allowing you to focus more on cooking and less on scrubbing. This robotic cleaner features a smart design, including an easy-to-use interface and an efficient cleaning system. Product 16. Product name Sopito Professional Potato Cutter. The Sopito Professional Potato Cutter is a high-quality French fry cutter designed for efficient and consistent slicing of vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and cucumbers. Made with durable stainless steel, it ensures long-lasting performance and resistance to rust or corrosion. The cutter comes equipped with a half-inch blade, ideal for creating perfectly uniform fries or slices, enhancing your cooking experience. This cutter is perfect for home kitchens or small professional setups, offering easy operation and quick preparation for dishes like French fries, vegetable sticks, and more. It's particularly useful for those who enjoy cooking with fresh ingredients and want to achieve precise, restaurant-quality results at home. Whether you're making crispy fries, adding a crunchy texture to salads, or prepping veggies for a stir-fry, this versatile tool is a must-have for anyone looking to streamline food prep with minimal effort. Product 17. Product name Liquid Vacuum Sealer Machine. A liquid vacuum sealer machine is an advanced food preservation tool designed to handle various types of food, including liquids, by providing multiple modes such as dry, moist, and liquid. This device operates with a powerful 90 kPa vacuum force to effectively seal and store foods, preserving their freshness for longer periods. It features an LED indicator light for easy operation, ensuring users can clearly see the vacuum sealing process. The handle-lock design ensures a secure and efficient sealing process, while the built-in cutter and bag storage allow for convenient, seamless use, ideal for cutting custom-sized vacuum bags and storing them for future use. Additionally, the removable drip tray helps catch any liquid overflow, ensuring the machine remains clean and easy to maintain. This vacuum sealer is perfect for sealing both dry and moist foods, including liquids like soups, sauces, or marinades, making it versatile for a range of food storage needs. Product 18. Product name Ofargo Meat Injector Syringe Kit. The Ofargo 304 stainless steel meat injector syringe kit is a high-quality kitchen tool designed for enhancing the flavor of your meats during BBQs, grilling, and smoking. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel, this syringe is built to last and offers a large 2-ounce capacity for holding marinades, ensuring you can inject plenty of flavor into your meat. The kit includes 4 different marinade needles, making it versatile for injecting various liquids like marinades, brines, or sauces. Whether you're grilling, smoking, or roasting, this injector helps you achieve juicy, flavorful meat with minimal effort. Additionally, it comes with both a paper user manual and an ebook recipe guide, helping users make the most of their new tool with step-by-step instructions and flavor ideas. Perfect for home cooks and grilling enthusiasts looking to elevate their barbecue skills, the Ofargo Meat Injector Syringe Kit is a practical accessory to have on hand.